Welcome to all. Myself Kuldeep Vijayananda Kushare from MEP RSM Polytechnic College, Nasik. Okay, we start first unit. Name is Introduction to Management Concept and Managerial Skill. First, what is the management and what is the function and feature of the management? First one is the introduction of management. Business develop in a course of time with a complexity. Management is not only essential to business concern but also essential to bank, business concern but also essential to bank, schools, college, hospitals, hotels, religious bodies, etc. Means management are used in a like banks, school, colleges, hospitals, hostel, and religion bodies or any organization or industry, etc. Then second point, every business unit has objective of its own. This objective can be achieved with the cooperative effort of several personnel. Means the business environment. Every year we manage or be a manager. Management is a regard as the most important of all human activities. Means therefore it is important to understand what management is all about. As we go throughout the rest of the test, you will gain an understanding of the management and the many factors contribute to the success of effective management. It's a simple word. A manager is a person who is responsible for directing the effort, aims at helping an organization achieve the goals. That is defined and that is the known as the management. As E. Demock has rigidly said, the management is not a matter of pressing a button, pulling a lever, issuing orders, scanning P and L statement, promulgating, getting the rules and regulations. E. Demock has rigidly said, what is said? The management is not a matter of pressing a button or pulling a lever, issuing order, scanning P and L statement, promulgating rules and regulation. Then next point is rather it is the power to determine what shall happen to the personalities and happiness of entire people. The power to shape the power to shape the destiny of the nation of the all the nation which make up the world. The next, a team is not made only a individual. A team is made of a common goal and a common idea. A common cause and motivating force is the spirit of the team. Okay. This is the introduction of the management. Like some points are the business environment in a US or Japan and in a North America, even India's place highly value of capable manager. Look at the recent newspaper article about the salaries paid to top CEO. Okay. Generally, managers are highly competitive than non-manager because managing is the essential to ensure the coordination of individual effort within any organization. It is exciting because it deals with setting, seeking, and reaching objective of organization. It is the intro. This is the introduction of the management. Then next point is meaning of management. The management is the art of getting things done by a group of people with the effective utilization of available resource. There are various definitions given by various management, but simply management is the process of consisting of the function of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling the operation to the achieve the specified. This is given there are 4 or 5th point of operation. This is the function of management. Which point, which function? First is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. They are the operation of the management. Okay, and what is the management? Each and every one of us is a manager and the practice of management is the found in every face at the human effort educational institute like business, government or non-government organization, association and families. Each and every organization has people who are with the responsibility of helping the organization to achieve its goal. Then those people are called as a manager. Okay, means what is management and where are used the management method, feature or function they use in a educational institute, business, government, non-government organization, association and families. Okay, then no organization can carry on its business without a management, which is a term supervise the manager. Management is the process of working with the different resources to organization goal. The good manager do those things both effectively and efficiently. To do effective is to achieve organization goal. That means to be the efficient is to achieve goal with the minimum waste of resources, like make the best possible use of money, time, material and people. This is the best possible use in four things like money, time, material and people. Okay, that is the management. Okay, then of feature or characteristics of management. First point is the feature of management. Okay, first is art as well as science. Management is any activity and management is a continuous process. Next is management achieving predetermined objective, then organized activity. Next is management is a factor of production. Management as a system of activity. Management is a discipline. Management is a purposable activity. And next and last is the management is the distinct entry. Okay, we taken the definition of and we learn and understand the what is the management, what is the introduction of management we cover and we understand. Then what is the definition? Definition is the management has been defined by the various author and authorities in a various way. Many of us are define the management as a getting a thing done throughout the other people. It is a efficient manner. Means simple definition like a management is the activity of getting thing done with aim of people and other resources. Okay, and that is the feature of the management. First is the art as well as science, activity, continuous process, achieving predetermined objective, activity, organized activities. Management is a factor of production. Management is a system of activity and discipline. Then purposeful activity, and last one is the management disciplinary activity. Okay, and other feature, different and other types of feature like management aims at maximizing profit. Then next is a decision making. This is the important point of management in any department like purchase, sales. Okay, the decision making is a very important point. Then is a management is a professional universal application. Management is getting thing done. Then next one, management as a class or a team. That is means management is a class or teamwork like a leadership. Then management as a career, direction and control. Who is the direction and control? The organization, they are top level management like your CEO, then your head of department. This is the direction and control of your board. Then the dynamic management is needed at all level. Management, there are three types of management: top level management, middle level management and low level management. Means top level management included CMD, chief executive officer. Then middle level management like your purchase manager, then your production manager and finance manager. They are the included in a middle level management. And last level management is your worker supervisor. Okay, Then the next point is a leadership quality. It's also important point of your feature. Then okay, the next point is the characteristics of management. First is art as well as science. Management is a both an art of perceiving, of managing skill by a person, and of science because of developing certain principle or law applicable in a place where a group of activity are coordinated. It says arts as well as science. The next is management is any activity. It is a process of activity relating to the effective utilization of available resource. Like your available resource means your material, waste material, money, cost. This is your the activity material of management. The next point is the management is a continuous process of mainly consists of planning, organizing, directing and controlling the resource. They are the four function of management. Which one? First is a fine planning, organization, directing and controlling. These four type of function we learn in next lecture in okay. The resources like a man and money, like your worker, employee and the money investment of a organization should be used to the best advantage of the organization to achieve the objective. The next, management achieving predetermined objective. The objective of any organization are clearly laid down. Every managerial activity result in the achievement of objective fixed well in advance. Then next is organizing activity. Management is a group of organizing activity. It can be in the form of limited company or small club, means a small industry. All the organization have any objective and this objective is achieved throughout the systematic way of organization activity, like organization policy or organization program and project and budget depend on the organization activity. Next one is the management is the factor of production. The factor of production included land, labor, capital and enterprise. This is the first 4 point is important for production of your company. Labor refer to paid employee, either skill, unskilled, semi-skilled, manager, supervisor and the like that. Okay, they are the different types of employees to paid the salary in a different ways, like a skill, unskilled, semi-skilled, manager and supervisor. The capital refers to the working capital in the form of cash, raw material, finished good and fixed capital as the form of plant facility and production facility. This is the production facility like which one? Cash, raw material and finishing good. Okay, these land, labor and capital cannot achieve the organization goal. Means this is land, labor and capital is the most important point to achieving the goal of organization. They are not achieve the goal without land, labor and capital. Okay, it can be achieved only by any organization goal. Then next, management as a system of activity. Like individual are the foundation of management. Management ensure the goal encourage between the individual and organization objective. Next is the management is a discipline. This is an important point for employee and manager in a production line. Discipline is the most important any industry or organization. The boundaries of management are not exact like other physical science. It is maybe increased by continuous discovery of more aspect of the business enterprise. Next one is a management is a purposeful activity. Means management is concerned with objective achievement throughout planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. This means this is the function of a management. Okay. Then next is management is a distinct entity. Management is a distinct from the functional activity. Like functional activity of management like directing, organizing, staffing. Okay. As a function is to do, while management is to how to get things done. Then next is management aims at maximum profit. The available resources are properly utilized to get the desired result. And then important point is decision making. Decision making arises between there is available course of action. The quality of decision taking determine the organization performance. Means Any decision can taken determine the organization performance on a decision making. Then next, management is a professional. It's quality of professional. Universal application means the same principle of management are applicable in every type of industry. Only the practice differ from the one to another. Management is a getting thing done. Like management get thing done by the other. Like management as a class or team. Class means group of people having homogeneous characteristics to achieve the common objective. Management as a career. Nowadays management is a develop as a career, focus on a specialization like finance, marketing, system, personal, etc. They are appointed in a key post of management career depend on this thing like finance, marketing, system and personal. Then direction and control. Manager and direct his subordinate in the performance whenever necessary. Direction and control deals with the activity of human effort. Totally is a depend on activities in a human effort. Dynamic. The management is not static in every changing, fast developing business world as a new technique are developed and adopted by the management. Okay, then next two points is management is needed at all level. We discussed the management needed level like management is top management, middle management and lower management. This is the top level management. All are needed in a management like a function of planning is organizing, directing, controlling and decision making is performed by the level of organization. Then the last point of characteristic of management is the leadership quality. Means leadership quality is developed in the performance who are working in the top level management. Your top level manager like post is your CEO, like a chief executive officer. You are the leader. Like that, how to leadership quality maintain in a management. Okay, okay, okay. Today's lecture we discuss the introduction of management, then what is mean by management, definition, then feature of management, then the characteristics of management. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.